Hello everyone. This is a very short overview of Homework 6 in which you'll write a report about a CPU. It's worth 100 points. For this assignment you can work alone or you can work with one other person. If you choose to have a partner, only one person needs to upload the report, but make sure you put both names on the project. So our objective here is to look at a current state-of-the-art CPU of your choice and dig into some technical details about it. In the second half of this course, we learn a lot of terminology related to the CPU, related to memory. And this project will help you really firm up what you've learned about this terminology. So you're going to create a Word or compatible report. I'm absolutely not picky about the format, the font, etc. Just make reasonable choices. But it should be about 3 pages of content. In other words, if you took the figures out and cut and pasted just the text into a new document, the text would be at least 3 pages single-spaced. So what you're going to do is look around at different CPUs or GPUs on the market from any manufacturer. Good starting point is their manufacturer websites. And then choose one CPU or GPU that you'd like to know more about. And your report will have these 5 sections. Section 1 is a high-level overview. This is more like marketing data. And here's some kind of questions you could answer. So in your high-level overview, you'll want to boldface any technical terms that you use, and you'll define them in Section 4. In Section 2, I want you to go beyond the marketing materials and try to find some white paper or more technical documentation to discuss the details of the CPU. Again, you'll want to boldface any technical terms and then define them later. Now, some of these technical details may be really in-depth technical, and you may not absolutely understand everything they're saying, and that's okay. Section 3, I want you to find at least 3 independent reviews of this processor and then summarize their opinions. And then Section 4 is that glossary of terms that you boldfaced and define here. And then let us know any references that you used. Again, for this report, I'm not concerned about the format of your references, just anything reasonable is acceptable. Optionally, you can create a presentation for the class. That's optional. So what you'll turn in is your doc, your report. If you choose to make the optional presentation, you could upload that to eLearning or provide a link if it's online. So the different parts of the report have different points. Probably the easiest way to prepare a short presentation is use some kind of screen capture software to record yourself and your material. A great way to do that is maybe upload it to YouTube. That's really easy to do. And then put the link in your report. Another option is you could create a PowerPoint and add narration. I have a link here that describes how to do that. So that's the overview of Homework 6. Feel free to post any questions in Piazza.